Hello, I am currently outside my house and I'm waiting for the bus. It is quite cold. I have been awake until 4 a.m. because my airplane is going during a time when it's quite uncomfy to travel with a 9 bus. So it's better for me to go there earlier and wait a little bit longer there. So it's guaranteed that I will be reaching my plane to Oslo. It's a little bit hotter in Oslo than here. It's 4 in the morning, at least there's no mosquitoes. I'm going to see 4 bands. I had no idea it was 4. I thought it was only 3 maybe. But 4 different bands and I'm so excited. Wow. It's like a mini festival. I only have one backpack and a bag. This bag. I'm only gone for a day, so it's fine. I brought the new dress that I made. I'm gonna wear that for the first time, along with a jacket that is awesome. Okay, so what happened was that the bus came. I was really cold. I had purchased the app for the bus company thing, so it made it so much easier for me to pay. I just paid with the app and went into the bus. After that, I took the pillow and slept for 2 hours for the bus ride. And I was here in next town around 6. I went to the security line. It was quite long and it was fine because I didn't have any stress. And after that I ate because I was so hungry. It had taken really long time since I ate. So I ate a little bit nuts and a bread, and it was so annoying because I had forgotten lactose pills, so the things I ate weren't that good. The nuts were covered in salt, which I don't really like so much, so yeah, that was that. Okay, after I ate, what did I do then? I decided to sleep. Yeah, here we have some benches with 2 rows. I put my backpack and I have a travel pillow, so I put the backpack as my pillow and then the travel pillow on my neck and slept for it for a while. It was so cold. Now I am on the train waiting for the final stop, which is Oslo S. And from here on I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try my best. There is a specific train that goes to the place where I'm staying at, so let's hope it goes well, because I don't have many hours until the concert, so I have to find it at least before in 3 hours. And with my sense of direction, but we can try. It shouldn't be far. I hope it goes fine. I made it safely. This is before I put the beddings on. I ordered a room that I don't need to share. There are cabinets and a nice little oven and fridge and my own sink, and here should be the bathroom. I will most likely only using it for like toiletry use. The shower might not be necessary. The toilet paper is a little bit high up, I don't mind it. So yeah, I was quite good with navigation this time. I was just, okay, where am I? Just follow my instincts, and yeah, I'm at this place. It's quite close to one train station, which I really like, because when I'm gonna traveling back home, I can just take it, which is really nice. I just want a little place to stay at night, so I don't need to be awake. And I want to go and check a grocery store which is nearby here, so I can buy something to eat for breakfast or something like that. Yeah, that's what I really... I'm thinking about staying maybe here at the same time when I am going to see the She Passed Away concert. They are coming to Norway, and I'm really happy for that. So staying here seems like an optional because it's so close to the train. And I like it. I really like it. So yeah, first time in Oslo by myself. So what happened? After I had gone to my room and filmed everything and just relax and calm myself down, I went to the grocery store, and yeah, they had a self-pay checking, like that you don't need to talk to the cashier or something. It was nice. And now I am currently in this park-like region. So I decided to walk around here. And then I will walk back to the place and hopefully around 7 be there. I just want a place where I can stand really close to the front line, because I want to see the band on the front, like always. I know my friend Adam loves birds, so this clip is for him.
Reborn, I free, like a fetus again. I'm not free. The darkness wasn't the food, and just like the moth, I escaped with you. A sparkle, keep waiting, lit up a flame that will guide me to where.
Hi, so I am back. The concert was really nice. I'm currently in the room and I want to go to bed at least before 1 o'clock. The concert, what happened? It was fantastic. I wasn't the first fan of the two bands. One of them was Priest and the second was Tension Control. I had never listened to both of those bands, and like when I'm in a concert I give bands a chance, and I actually ended up liking what I heard, so now I'm gonna check both bands completely out when I come home. I really liked what I heard. The tension control, the singer, he stood really near the fence where I was. Twice, actually, not just once. He stood there. It was so surreal. I didn't take a photo. And I usually wear, again, a white mask. And when the lights shine on me, they reflect back. There is a purpose why I wear white mask and not black. It's a way to get attention. Simple. And of course protect me from possible viruses or microbes or whatever in the air. So yeah, 2 things in one turn. But tension control, when I looked at them, I thought, wow, these guys are really the really typical EPM type of fashion-wise. The shape, the side-shaped sideburns, and tank tops, and a little bit loose pants, sunglasses like the pilot sunglasses. I thought they looked really good. I actually appreciate this typical EPM look. It's quite cool. And there's also this EBM boyfriend meme. They looked just like that meme, like really I really like that. I don't actually mind. Okay, and then the music was really great. I ended up screaming and jumping, of course, typical. Like, I've been screaming a lot tonight, and it's good to drink Coca-Cola Light or Diet Coke afterwards when I get back to the hotel. So yeah, and when Priest came on stage, they looked incredible. The outfits really great. The sound was also really great, so I'm gonna probably check them out. They're Swedish, so that's interesting. They can understand Norwegian, and I really like that. But what was really cool was that the singer of Priest came and touched the heads of us on the front line, and of course I fight for that frontline position. I want it. So he touched my head and I found it really cute. So I am most likely gonna check these guys out and listen to the studio version of their songs. I did really like live music. I really liked that. They sounded really great. Anyway, then it was Frontline Assembly's turn, and I literally screamed a lot, jumped everywhere, and clapped when possible, and yeah, it's possible that I was the loudest of the people in there. Yeah. But I thought one of the band members of not the singer himself, but one of the other band members were really attractive. I don't really know his age, but wow, looked so good. And I was thinking, wow, you have lots. You're attractive. You have confidence and stage presence. It was really nice to watch, and yeah, I thought he was cool. I
I think he did notice me because of the mask, most likely. And because I was screaming really loudly. And then the Die Krups was the final one, and whoa, I screamed so loud. And there were some, like, a little bit elderly guys to my left. They were really die-hard fans of Die Krups, and they were dancing, screaming, and they even fist pumped with the singer and guitarist. They fist pump with the guitarist, and he winked to me. I also made a new friend. She is 6 years younger than me, but it doesn't look like it because I still look young. Jeans. But she and I are both going to the She Pasta show next month, and I was like, okay, let's go together. She actually got the set list. I was busy talking to this one guy, and I took a photo of the set list, Die Krups one at least. She was able to snatch the set list before I did. But I'm happy for her. She's younger than me and most likely a bigger fan than I am. I am mostly on the noise side. Everybody knows that. At least the ones that follow me knows me. I'm more on the noise side, so it doesn't really matter. She can take it. But I really wanted it anyway. I also met this one cool dude. I didn't get his Instagram. Yeah. But it's fine. It's fine. I like adding people on Instagram, and I also met this really cool Spanish lady. She was from Madrid. Nearly at the age of one of my best friends, Spiral. I will not tell the age, but really close her age, this woman, and she was really cool in my opinion because she is a pioneer in DJing for women. I am hoping that my next trip to Oslo goes fine, September, and then October. I'm gonna see The Cure in October. Yeah, I'm gonna see The Cure of all bands. Yes, now the clock is 2:30, so I should seriously consider going to bed now. And I did buy a t-shirt too. The reason why I did this is because Oslo is there and I was there, so it's special. It has Norway. And what the singer of Die Krups said is that they had not been here for many years. Like, it was 25 years ago last time, and that's like in 97. I was born in 95, and so I was 2 years old when they were for last time in Norway. It's quite interesting, and my friend wasn't even born then. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.